Hey guys, it's Carter, and in today's video we are going to be talking about the best ways to create passive income with only $1,000. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Carter and I'm a stock YouTuber. I talk about money management, trading, investing. So if you guys are interested, make sure you guys subscribe and check out my other videos. So let's jump into it. So the very first way that you guys can create passive income with only $1,000 is from investing in the stock market and dividends. Now, for those of you that don't know what dividends are, dividends is pretty much when a company makes so much money, they pay you. That's the short form, and there is a ton of companies out there that pay awesome dividends. Coca-Cola, Home Depot, Lowe's, Apple, all of the big time players pay dividends. Companies that don't often will use their profits to reinvest into the business to make more money. That's why companies like Google and Tesla don't pay dividends. So you want stocks that pay dividends. Now, if you guys have a hard time picking and choosing different stocks, don't worry, I have an awesome ETF that pretty much tracks the best dividend players out there. It's ticker symbol VIG. This is backed by Vanguard. It's a Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF. And the beauty of this is if you guys take that $1,000 and invest it straight into that, you're looking at about a 2% yield, which is about $20 a year without lifting a finger. And I know it's not much, but the beauty of this is a way you guys can start compounding your money and creating more money. So that $20, you can reinvest it back into VIG and start getting more dividends and more dividends and more dividends. And before you know it, you're gonna be making a lot of money. Now, the second way that you guys can invest $1,000 and get passive income, this way might require a little more effort and a little more actual work. And this is a bounce house rental. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go on Walmart or Wayfair or any online site that sells commercial bounce houses, and you're gonna buy them for $1,000 and you're gonna rent them out for $160 a weekend. Now let's do the math on this. If you guys can take that bounce house and rent it out, that's just say every weekend for an entire year, you're looking at about $8,000 in profit, which is crazy. For only $1,000 investment, you can make over $8,000, and you can completely automate this by having other people pick it up and load it, and you guys pay them $15, $20 an hour to do so, so it's 100% passive. Even if you only run it out for half of those days, that is still $4,000, so you are quadrupling your money, which is crazy. It's a great way that you guys can create a side hustle, a little side business, and you can only grow it and have more bounce houses and different things. Now, the third way that you guys can create passive income with only $1,000 is by creating a YouTube channel. What I'm doing right now, you can find a whole bunch of fantastic cameras, software, easily underneath $1,000, and you can create content. Now, this content, how you guys are going to get paid is by several different reasons. You could get paid by Google AdSense on Google. You could get paid by affiliate marketing if you work with other companies. You could get paid if you sell courses like my course. Make sure you guys go check out my course if you guys are interested in stock trading, investing, money management. It's all for less than a cup of coffee, so make sure you guys check it out. Now, obviously with this, you will most likely not get immediate revenue. This is why a lot of people kind of don't like YouTube or YouTubers, is because it's gonna take a minimum of a year to create some sort of following. And the biggest thing with YouTube is consistency, right? A lot of people start and a lot of people fail because they are not consistent. And the best way I always like to explain this is if you go to the gym one time, you're not gonna get in shape. If you go to the gym 2 times, you're not gonna get in shape. If you go 3 times, you're not gonna get in shape. But if you go consistently, you will get in shape. YouTube is the exact same thing. To create a following, you have to create consistent content that people enjoy. And you will create a following which will start getting advertisers, which will start getting affiliate marketing, and you could sell merch and a whole bunch of other things to make more money. So guys, those are the top 3 ways that you guys can create passive income with only $1,000. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And if you want to learn more about investing, money management, trading, check out my course. Don't forget to subscribe, like, do what you guys do, and we'll see you guys later in another video. Take care.